Air travel is built on processes and protocols that are more than 50 years old. 10 years ago, IATA digitized the customer record. But significant challenges still must be overcome. Now, IATA is driving One Order, a new phase of airline digital transformation. One Order aims to simplify airline reservations and accounting by replacing e-tickets, PNRs, and EMDs with a single customer order record. SAP has created a proof-of-concept solution for a digital customer platform that is integrated using One Order.
We launched our travel industry commerce product in 2016. Since then, we've made tremendous progress, and last year we achieved NDC Level 3 certification from IATA for offer and order management. Now, with One Order, we see a convergence of these new standards with open systems and retailing capabilities that will challenge the reference architecture and economics of airline systems. One Order will drive the shift to open systems that use modern APIs. It is this shift that enables SAP to position its products as solutions for the One Order landscape. We leverage these solutions to create a proof of concept project integrated with the One Order standard. IATA recognised the project as an official One Order pilot, receiving direct technical feedback to further develop the standard.
In the proof of concept solution from SAP, order management was provided by SAP Commerce Cloud and SAP Commerce Cloud Travel Accelerator. Order accounting was provided by SAP Customer Financial Management. Ground handling and airport lounge systems simulated service status delivery. SAP Commerce Cloud mastered the flight schedules, inventory, seat maps, products, services, and prices. 7 use cases simulated various end-to-end order and accounting flows. A typical customer journey was a return flight from London Heathrow to Paris Charles de Gaulle. The customer starts by shopping flights on the airline website. The site presents flight offers and the customer selects Economy Plus products. The customer selects a seat for the outbound journey. 20-kilogram bags are included in the product bundle. The customer logs in and pays with stored credit card details. The order is stored in the customer's account with a single, unique reference number. The SAP Commerce Cloud back office shows the customer order with 2 consignments ready to deliver, one for outbound and one for the return. The order management system generates a One Order message with all the order details and sends it to the order accounting system. SAP Customer Financial Management processes the One Order message and stores each associated product and tax item with a ready-to-deliver status. Because services are yet to be delivered, the solution sets deferred revenue status to Report Deferred. When the flight departs, the ground handling system closes the flight and sends a status change to the order management system. The order management system sets the customer consignment status to Flown and sends a status change to the order accounting system. The order accounting system processes the service status change. The outbound products and services are set to Delivered, and the deferred revenue status changes to Report Revenues. After an automatic transfer service, the deferred revenue report shows the recognition of revenue and accrual of tax liability. The remaining amount for the return flight is still deferred.
SAP can deliver the end-to-end vision of One Order. A key takeaway from the pilot was that the data model in SAP Commerce Cloud required minimal changes. That reveals how aligned One Order is with a true retail order management model. SAP Customer Financial Management is integrated with SAP S/4HANA, so only required minimal configuration for order accounting. This demonstrates why SAP is strategically positioned to provide One Order solutions to airlines.
The pilot delivered 7 end-to-end use cases. Processing a simple return order from London to Paris, paid directly with a credit card. Amending the order to add ancillary products. Including lounge access in the order and accounting for it separately from the flight. processing the same return order, purchased partly with a credit card and partly with loyalty miles. Replicating the return order created using the NDC web service. Handling a voluntary change of an origin and destination return product from Krakow to New York via London. And automatically triggering an involuntary change because of flight cancellation and auto-booking the customer to the next available flight.
We are delighted with the results and that the team delivered all the use cases in just 4 months. We adopted a retail mindset to order changes. Instead of having flight change as a product attribute, we created a unique change service product with an associated price. We were able to track the product through accounting and revenue recognition. Modelling products in this way allows them to be sold as an à la carte optional service, increasing upsell opportunities. Having all financial transactions stored in SAP S/4HANA enables real-time data analysis and reporting directly from a single source.
One Order will deliver many benefits to airlines, their customers, and their partners. A single customer-centric identifier for all products and services will improve the customer experience. Simplified interactions between airlines with different business models will drive new opportunities. Finally, One Order will increase speed to market and decrease the cost of commercial and financial systems. Learn more about how SAP solutions can help realize the One Order vision.